In today's video, I'm going to show you my honest and unbiased review of Coursiv IO. I'll walk you through its main features, risks, and important considerations so that by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether it's worth your time and money. So, what is Coursiv IO? At its core, it presents itself as an innovative platform for freelancing training with an AI-driven learning approach. The program claims to help you land gigs on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, even suggesting you can earn up to $250 a day using AI generated images. However, many users feel the material is pretty basic, and most of what's taught can actually be found for free online with a bit of research. When it comes to pricing, Coursiv starts with a low entry fee of just $10 for a 1 week trial, which seems appealing at first. But costs quickly rise with recurring charges that can be confusing and often higher than expected. A lot of customers have complained about unauthorized charges and difficulties getting refunds, which makes billing one of the platform's biggest issues. In terms of content and features, Coursiv can be helpful if you're a total beginner looking to get familiar with freelancing basics. You'll also have 24/7 access to an AI assistant, but don't expect advanced insights. The AI mostly answers simple questions and may not provide the depth needed to truly stand out in a competitive freelancing space. As for content quality, many users describe it as outdated and underwhelming. If you're hoping for advanced skills or cutting edge strategies, you might end up disappointed. So, what's the final verdict? Coursiv IO can be a decent starting point if you're completely new and want a low risk way to dip your toes into freelancing. But if you're aiming for higher level skills and real earning potential, you may want to explore other options. Thank you for watching this video.